Data Center World, Day 2. I'm Richard Burcher from Airedale. We just wanted to tell you about some of our systems we've had on the show this year. We've gone with cooling containment, we've gone for hot aisle containment, we've built that in with our in-row systems, 600mm, 300mm, a really good system that we can bring together and deliver for you. We've also gone with our Smart Cool precision air conditioning range. We've got that on a chill water platform, but we also do it in DX, all configurations including an inverter compressor as well. What's been very popular is our market leading controls. So we've gone with our ASIS division. We can bring everything together in one package for you, alarms, monitoring, bringing it all together in something that you can find intuitive, delivers all that information back. So that's just a few of the systems we've had on our stand.
Our second day now, had a lot of customers down over these 2 days, a lot of potential new customers have come and seen the products that we have on display here. We'd like to thank everybody for coming and seeing us. Thank you.
When does this happen in the movie? Now. You're looking at now, sir. Everything that happens now is happening now. What happened to then? Past that. When? Just now. We're at now. Go back to then. When? Now. Now? Now. I can't. Why? We missed it. When? Just